doing so many live videos lately. This is the first morning where we're having a bunch of the warehouse girls, going and gathering their sticks over there for their nests. Ducky's here. He had birdseed and then he wandered off away from me and he won't say hi. But he's wagging his tail. I tried to pull the bench over towards him and he walked away from his birdseed like, I don't want you sitting next to me right now. I don't know what the deal is. But he is here. And a few seagulls are over here getting a little bit of Cheerios, and I feel like as soon as I did my live, that one's, you guys see that one? But they're going back and forth with mouthfuls of stuff. That one has a mouthful of stuff. And they're going back and forth from over here in the dirt over here. There's the babies! Oh my gosh! The Canadian geese just came out of the construction site. Is that where they just came out of? Or are they just walking down? Where did you guys just come out? I wonder if they came over from... Where do you guys keep on coming from at night? They must be on the back trail at night or something. Here's the Canadian geese. There's 5 babies and 3 adults. Not sure. My battery's dying on my phone. Hi you guys. It's about 7 a.m. They're going that way. See you later. It looks like the odd man out's hanging out with the 5 baby pair. Don't like it. I'm walking away from my stuff. They're going that way. Ooh, you guys, why are you fighting? Why are you fighting? Oh geez, stress levels high. Okay, I'll back off. Oh, there's 2 more adults over here. There's Crow, the one that comes and sees me while I'm walking down the hill. I don't know if they're coming from the back trail or where they're coming from, but hi you guys. Crow's getting close. Crow, leave their babies alone. You're gonna get hurt, bud. No, they do have 6 babies. Okay. But the seagulls that I was trying to show you guys are over here gathering their nesting material and go back and forth. I don't think my phone is showing you any of them carrying the nesting stuff. Here comes another one to grab more stuff. So that's kind of why we need to keep places like this clean and free from nasty garbage chemical type of stuff and dumping. But this is the first morning I've seen them starting to build their nests. I know there's some people that were telling me they should have babies by now and stuff. I was like, I don't know, because I haven't seen them building their nests yet. I haven't even... But they're starting, there's a bunch of them going back and forth. Keep on having people walk by my stuff over there. Hey guys, I think these guys don't like me right now. They usually like me. I can tell they're not happy I'm here though. Hi Crow. There's Crow. Star of the show. Hi Crow. I don't know if you guys can even see those tiny babies. Like, I can't really see. My screen is really dark, and I don't think that I can do this while I still am on my live. Ah! Now I can't see my live. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I don't have any way of getting this off. You've got to be kidding me. Now I can't see anything on my screen. You gotta be kidding me. I can't get this off? Jesus. What the hell, you guys? I was just trying to brighten my screen. They just went in behind the bulldozer now. Come on, guys, out of the construction site, buds. At least this is Saturday, so they're probably not working early in the morning this morning. Come on, guys. Oh, geez. They're charging the crow. Crow, come on, crow. Come on, Crow. She's charging you. Come here. Come on. Crow. Crow, do you want some Cheerios? Crow. Okay, I'll walk away, guys. Come on. They're probably trying to get over here. Being weird about it. We've got more and more and more going back and forth. This guy's got a huge load. She just dropped half of it. There's another one coming. Guys, come out of... Quit charging the crow. Crow. She keeps charging the crow. Come on, guys. Hi, guys. Crow, leave that baby alone. God damn it. What are you doing? You better not be one of those bad crows. No. Crow! Are you kidding me? I swear to God I'll stop feeding you. Crow! Now the parent just walked on with that baby. She's trying to... Oh God. Crow! Better hustle, guys. Crow! Crow! You drop that right now! Crow! No! No! Crow, don't run to the crow! What are you doing? Don't run to the crow! Crow! Crow!
Did it drop it?
Crow! You drop that right now!
Oh no.
I should have picked her up. Damn it. I'm never feeding you again. Crow! Where did you just go? You fucking piece of shit! Is she's still alive? I thought she'd be dead by now. God fucking damn it. Where's the fucking rock? I don't see one big enough. Mom, come here! She's still alive! Get over here! Crow! Stop it! Bigger rocks. God damn it, she's still alive, dude. I know she's not gonna make it. Like, he definitely doesn't know how to fucking kill him so that he can eat him humanely. That's for damn sure. Crow! I should have picked her up. I should have fucking picked her up. I knew if I picked her up, the fucking parents might not take her. I was worried they wouldn't take her back. And she like ran towards me, but then I was like right there and I could have grabbed her if I acted quickly. And then she ran towards the fucking crow after that. Don't bring your babies over to him because he's already killed it. I am never fucking feeding you ever again, Crow. You can fucking kick rocks.
Hello.
You piece of shit. It's all starting to lie because of the nest building over here. I didn't think he would do that, dude. I thought he was just hanging out looking at him because I was filming him. Fucking did that shit right in front of me. He's not getting fed anymore. I think I at least I thought that was the same crow that meets me up here. Ducky even has his dress white stripes on. That one had a big stick. That was another one. But yeah, that one has a big ass clump of something. And that one does. You guys probably barely can see them. There's another one right there. There's another one right there. They're all going back and forth. So there should be eggs from some of them soon. There's a lot more this year than there was last year nest building. Or was it the year before? When was it? I think it was last summer. But that was in the summer that they didn't have very many babies. So I think that was like June or whatever when there weren't very many doing late babies. Ducky, how are you doing? We'll do a quick checkup on Ducky before we go. There's a little mallard. He's the only other little mallard here. The girl has not shown up for, oh geez, it's probably been about a week or something. I haven't seen that girl that was with him. It's just been this one, there's been 2 boy mallards every once in a while, but mostly it's just been 1 mallard. And then Ducky. And I'm not sure, like all the girls are gone. So I don't know if there's, because that one girl wasn't doing very well. She wasn't walking very well at all. So I'm not sure if she would be laying eggs right now. Hi, Ducky. Ducky, can we say hi real quick? And Ducky's like, no, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Somebody did some kind of pile of shells here. There's a pretty big growth of really slick, nasty algae stuff forming right here. Right now. Just so happens. Ducky, you're gonna go in it. You're gonna get all green. The heck keeps on walking back and forth, dude. See you later, Ducky. Got some of the geese are over there. And there's one adult that's over there, and then there's Crow over there. So there's still Crow kind of stalking him a little bit. Hi! Did you want some birdseed? Ducky already had birdseed. Do you want birdseed? And this is a guy that he tries to come up to me a bit. So I'm not sure if he's one of the ones that used to be here, cause he's kind of talkative. He comes up and talks. But he's all by himself now. Like everybody's gone. There's no mallards at all. We've got some birdseed in this pocket over here. Try not to have this all over the ground because it's got so much fucking goose poop and shit. Give this little guy a little bit of birdseed. Or he's out in the water now. Did you want some? I'll put some on the sidewalk. You can come up? Coming up. Do you want some? I'll put some over here, bud. Everywhere, so where can we put this, buddy? push in a little bit. About that much. Come here, it's right over here, bud. It's on this side. It's right over there. Come here. Hey, Mallard. Oh, jeez. Come on, buddy. It's right over here. It's right over here. It's right over here. I would normally feed him over here, but there's poop everywhere over here. It's over there. Do you see it? Oh, there's an actual pile. There you go. Okay, my battery's gonna die any second, so, I'm gonna go